Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness, and welcome back to Yoga for the Bros. If it's your first time, dude, welcome. My name is Mike, and today is episode 6 of Yoga for the Bros. And today we will be doing a nice and gentle and nice and easy bedtime sequence. So this is a great sequence to do right before bed to help you wind down from the day. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so let's begin the sequence coming into a seated position with one foot in front of the other. Take your time getting here. So today or tonight is going to be a nice and short, nice and easy practice. And once we come to this seat, let's start by inhaling, bringing our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, plant the right hand down in the mat, in line with the right hip. And then reach over with that left arm, really feeling this nice side body stretch on the left side body. And trying to make sure that both sit bones are firmly rooted in the mat here. Come back to our breath. Exhale, come back to center. Again, let's inhale, let both hands up. Exhale, take it over to the other side, planting the left hand down in the mat, reaching over with that right arm, really feeling this nice stretch on the right side body. Exhale, come back to center. Again, let's inhale, lift both hands up. Exhale, this time let's twist to our right. So our right hand, our right arm coming behind us, acting as a second spine. And then our left hand resting on our right thigh. So just make sure you avoid the left knee here. And as you inhale, try and lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, just gently twist. Exhale, come back to center. Again, let's inhale, let both hands up. Exhale, take it over to the other side, twisting to our left hand, left arm coming behind us, acting as a second spine, and then resting our right hand on our left thigh. Again, making sure you avoid the left knee here. And as you inhale, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, twist. Exhale, come back to center. Great job, guys. So from here, we'll come into a head to knee pose. So let's start with our right leg. So extending our right leg long, keeping the left foot in, coming into our right thigh. And then from here, let's inhale, let both hands up towards the sky. And then exhale, shift a little bit towards that right leg and then melt forward, keeping that right foot flexed here. Really breathing into the back of the right leg, feeling an awesome stretch in the hamstring, the calf. And on each exhale, see if you can just go a little bit further. Exhale, slowly and mindfully roll it back up. And from here, let's take it over to the other side, extending that left leg long, bringing our right foot into our left thigh, keeping that left foot flexed. And again, let's inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that left leg and then melt forward. Really breathing into the back of the left leg. Again, try and sink a little deeper with each exhale. Exhale, slowly roll it back up. Good job, you guys. From here, let's make our way into an extended child's pose. So bringing the knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you, extending the arms along, letting the forehead rest in the mat, really breathing into the back body here. From here, we'll stay in child's pose, but we'll do thread the needle pose here. So we can start by just kind of walking it back just a little bit. And from here, let's start with our right arm. So let's inhale, bring our right arm up towards the sky, and then exhale, thread that right arm underneath the left, and bring the right shoulder, right ear down to the mat. Walk that left hand back out long. And we'll just breathe here. And exhale, come back to center, and we'll take it over to the other side. So let's inhale, bring that left arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread that left arm underneath, bringing the left shoulder, left ear to the mat, walking that right hand back out long. Exhale, come back to center. From here, let's shift forward and we'll take a quick Cobra Pose. So keeping the knees on the mat, just opening up the heart, opening up the front side body. Roll your shoulders back here. Keeping that core slightly engaged. And then exhale, let's make our way onto our backs. Take your time getting there. And once you do get there, let's hug our knees into our chest and give ourselves a nice hug here, rocking side to side, massaging the back. And then from here, let's keep hugging our right knee in our chest and extend our left leg out long. And then from here, we'll do supine twist. So guiding our left knee over, guiding our right knee over to our left. Getting tired already. And then our right arm can come into a T. Just try to make sure you keep both shoulders rooted in the mat at all times. So if you're coming down here and your right shoulder's like lifted off the mat, see if you can just dial it back just a little bit to keep both shoulders in the mat here. And exhale, let's slowly bring it back to center. From here, let's take it over to the other side. So extending that right leg long and hugging our left knee back in. And then from here, slowly guiding our left knee over to our right side. And then our left arm coming into a T. Again, make sure to keep both shoulders in the mat. So if your left shoulder is off the mat, just see if you can dial it back just a little bit. Again, coming back to your breath. And then on your next exhale, slowly bring it back to center. From here, we'll come into a Recline Butterfly. So bringing the soles of the feet together and then letting the knees and the hips open up naturally. Arms can rest down by your sides. One of my favorite hip openers. And then from here, let's extend both legs out long, coming into final Shavasana. So you can feel free to close the eyes here. So I encourage you to stay here in Shavasana for as long as you like. If you feel like falling asleep here, by all means, you do you. But when you're ready, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. The light in me honors the light in all of you. I hope you all sleep well tonight. Thank you so much. Namaste.